Bajaj Housing Finance IPO is a book-built issue of 6,560 crore rupees. The issue is a combination of fresh issue of 50.86 crore shares aggregating to 3,560 crore rupees and offer for sale of 42.86 crore shares aggregating to 3,000 crore rupees. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO opens for subscription on September 9, 2024 and closes on September 11, 2024. The allotment for the Bajaj Housing Finance IPO is expected to be finalized on Thursday, September 12, 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO will list on BSE, NSE with tentative listing date fixed as Monday, September 16, 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO price band is set at 66 rupees to 70 rupees per share. The minimum lot size for an application is 214 shares. The minimum amount of investment required by retail investors is 14,980 rupees. The minimum lot size investment for SNII is 14 lots, 2,996 shares, amounting to 209,720 rupees, and for BANI, it is 67 lots, 14,338 shares, amounting to 1,03,660 rupees. Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, BofA Securities India Limited, Axis Capital Limited, Goldman Sachs, India, Securities Private Limited, SBI Capital Markets Limited, JM Financial Limited and IIFL Securities Limited are the book-running lead managers of the Bajaj Housing Finance IPO, while KFin Technologies Limited is the registrar for the issue. Refer to Bajaj Housing Finance IPO RHP for detailed information. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO details. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO reservation. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO timeline, tentative schedule. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO opens on September 9, 2024, and closes on September 11, 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO lot size. Investors can bid for a minimum of 214 shares and in multiples thereof. The below table depicts the minimum and maximum investment by retail investors and HNI in terms of shares and amount. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO promoter holding Bajaj Finance Limited and Bajaj Finserv Limited are the company promoters. About Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. Founded in 2008, Bajaj Housing Finance is a non-deposit taking housing finance company, HFC, registered with the National Housing Bank, NHB, since 2015 and has been offering mortgage loans since the financial year 2018. The company is part of the Bajaj Group, a diversified group of companies with interests in various sectors. Bajaj Housing Finance provides customized financial solutions to individuals and corporates for the purchase and renovation of homes and commercial spaces. The company's mortgage product range is comprehensive and includes I. Home loans, E. Loan against property, LAP, E. Rent concessions, and IV. Developer finance. As of March 31, 2024, the company had 308,693 active customers, of which 81.7% were home loan customers. The company has a network of 215 branches in 174 locations across 20 states and 3 union territories, overseen by 6 centralized retail loan review centers and 7 centralized loan processing centers. Company financials. Bajaj Housing Finance Limited financial information, restated. Bajaj Housing Finance Limited's revenue increased by 34% and profit after tax, PAT, rose by 38% between the financial year ending with March 31, 2024 and March 31, 2023. Key performance indicator. The market capitalization of Bajaj Housing Finance IPO is 58,297.03 crore rupees. KPI as of June 30, 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO lot size. Investors can bid for a minimum of 214 shares and in multiples thereof. The below table depicts the minimum and maximum investment by retail investors and HNI in terms of shares and amount.
विकास और स्थिरता की विरासत वाली कंपनी में निवेश करने की कल्पना कर रहे हो? यह जानने के लिए देखते रहे कि बजाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस लिमिटेड BHFL आपका अगला बड़ा निवेश क्यों हो सकता है। BHFL, a Bajaj Group company, is the second largest and fastest growing entity in the housing finance segment. This isn't just another IPO, it's a chance to be part of a legacy. Since its inception in 2015, BHFL has been a non-deposit taking housing finance company, registered with the National Housing Bank. The company offers a wide range of financial solutions, from home loans to developer financing, catering to both individuals and corporate entities. As of March 2023, the total outstanding housing loans were approximately 28.7 trillion rupees, showcasing the immense market potential. BHFL's strategic focus is on low-risk, fast-growing home loan customers, with 87.5% of its home loans attributed to salaried customers. The company has shown steady growth, with assets under management (AUM) reaching Rs 970,71.33 crore as of June 30, 2024. BHFL has partnered with multiple insurance providers, expanding its suite of products to include life, general, and health insurance. The company is coming out with its maiden IPO, offering fresh equity shares worth 3,560 crore rupees, and an offer for sale worth 3,000 crore rupees. IPO shares will be listed on BSE and NSE, constituting 11.26% of the post-IPO paid-up equity capital. The company plans to use the net proceeds to augment its capital base and meet future business requirements. BHFL has reserved shares worth 200.00 crore rupees for its eligible employees and 500.00 crore rupees for shareholders. The financial performance of BHFL has been impressive, with a total income of 7,617.71 crore rupees and a net profit of 1,731.22 crore rupees in FY24. The company has posted an average EPS of 2 rupees and 20 paise and an average RONW of 14.3% over the last 3 fiscals. BHFL's net interest margins and return on average equity have shown consistent growth, reflecting its robust financial health. The company reported NIM of 4.00% in FY22, 4.50% in FY23, and 4.10% in FY24, with ROE margins also showing positive trends. Despite economic slowdowns, the income of the salaried class remained largely intact, allaying lenders' concerns about asset quality. BHFL has not declared any dividends for the reported periods but adopted a dividend policy in June 2024. Leading analysts and stockbrokers recommend subscribing to the BHFL IPO, highlighting its long-term investment potential. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in a company with a legacy of growth. Subscribe to BHFL IPO and be part of the future. Invest in legacy, invest in growth. It's a pure long-term story and investors may park moderate funds for adding this company as a portfolio investment.